Hello guys! I got... Unbox po tayo. Unbox. Ito po, unbox tayo. Naimano natin ito ha. Unbox po tayo. Tadan! What's this? Wow! This is the Hawaiian shirt for Bella. This is for Bella. Ito po yun. This is the one. Let's see. There you are. This is the Hawaiian. That's for Bella. Yan po. Ito po yung isusuot namin sa Hawaiian Aloha event sa church namin for fundraising sa mga youth. Yan po sa kanya. Ano ito? Oh! Another one. Oh, this is for the Bella's patches for her how do you call that? Pimples patches. And this is my dress. Here I am. This is mine. O yan. Ito po yung sa akin. Yan. The dress. It's very soft. Soft. Very soft. Here you are. For my dress. Ito pong isusuot ko sa Hawaiian. And then, mayroon akong yung ko na yung sa Hawaiian na maraming flowers. So, yan po. And then, next po tayo. Next nating buksan ay unbox. Ito naman sa asawa ko. Ay, ito yung order. Sana. Bakit iba ang kulay? It's different. Here you are. It's not matching. It's big. This is for my husband. Pero it's different. Hindi siya magkapariho. It's more lighter siya, di ba po? And big. I think when my husband arrived, I have to ask him to try to wear it. It's nothing but different. Okay, yan lang po. Thank you. Ito yung for the event sa Hawaii Aloha event namin po. So, 3 items po in order namin. Okay, bye-bye. God bless. Thank you.